How to reset Facebook video recommendations. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, I'll walk you through how to reset your Facebook video recommendations so that the content you see is more relevant to you. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Log in to the Facebook account where you want to reset the video recommendations. Once you're in, tap the three horizontal lines at the top or bottom right corner of your screen, depending on your device. In the menu that appears, tap the gear icon to open your settings. Now scroll all the way down until you find the section called Your Activity. Here, tap on Activity Log. Inside the Activity Log, scroll again until you find Logged Information. Go ahead and tap that. Now tap on Manage Search, or simply Search. Here at the top, tap on Filters. Select Categories and choose what you want to clear. In this case, anything related to video interactions or searches. Finally, tap Clear Searches. This will delete all your past search history, including those that impact your video recommendations.